First of all, welcome to the channel. Lucidity for All mission has two goals. First is to unite the practitioners of lucid dreaming, out-of-body experience and astral projection. The techniques we use are the same, hence we can learn together and have a common ground of understanding. Second is my personal goal to make your lucidity and awareness levels to go through the rooftop, so that you too can have lucid dreams, out-of-body experience and astral projection every night. So subscribe to our channel and activate the notification button so that you are aware when the new tutorial will be out. And now enjoy the ride and let's dive into the subject of today. The subject of today is dream journal. Very quickly, you are going to know how to maintain a very good dream journal to improve your dream recall and memory in relation to dreams and lucid dreams in general, but also you will learn how to use your dream journal to improve the technical aspects of your practice of lucid dreaming, out-of-body experience and astral projection. As a beginner lucid dreamer or an intermediate practitioner, you have to ask yourself one question. What is the point to practice lucid dreaming if I cannot remember my experiences? So before any serious practice of lucid dreaming, we have to set out a good dream recall and/or memory in relation to our dreaming life in general. The good news is you will have a quick success in remembering your lucid dreams and dreams in general. Many Lucidity for All members come to me complaining about them not remembering any dreams or even stating that they have stopped dreaming altogether. It is more often the case for professionally active population rather than the youngsters. So the rather matured individuals immediately blame their advanced age for their lack of dreams or lucid dreams, out-of-body experiences and astral projections. Good news is the reality is different. We all can remember 5 to 10 dreams or lucid dreams per night, regardless of our age or sex. Part number 1. Set our sleeping patterns. Our body follows the natural cycles of our planet Earth, dictated by the day and night, which are expressed by our sun or the absence of it. We are sun sensitive. When exposed to direct sunlight at least 10 minutes per day, we produce enough of serotonin hormone, which is vital to regulate our sleeping patterns and promote a healthy sleep with lots of REM periods and hence a lot of dreams and lucid dreams. You also need to sleep enough, more than 6 hours, because our lucidity and awareness levels rise as we approach the waking state with the body that has enough rested during the night. Hence, more lucid dreams towards the second part of the night. So, if you miss out on the second part of the night by sleeping less than 6-7 hours, you will miss out a lot on your dreaming life. Little trick to increase your sleeping time. If you sleep less than 6 hours, I give you a little trick how to increase your overall sleeping time. Every night, go to bed 10 to 20 minutes earlier. Build the momentum of sleeping 9 hours or even more. Avoid exposing yourself to phone, tablets or computer screens at night, as the blue light of the screen makes you too awakened. You will have a difficulty with sleep and lucid dreams as a consequence. Second part, dream recall and dream journal. First, a little trick on how to capture your dreams and lucid dreams. And do not forget them. You have probably already noticed that a dream or a lucid dream that you can very well remember in the middle of the night is very volatile and will evaporate from your dreaming memory in big parts or even completely in the morning. The way to fight this is very easy. Take a few blank pieces of paper and write immediately 2 to 5 words in relation to the dream or lucid dream you have just had and awaken yourself from. These words will be very useful in the morning. These words will allow you to target the precise brain region that contains the whole memory of your dream or lucid dream. In the morning, immediately upon awakening, make a full write-up of each of your dream or lucid dream. The very positive side effect of dream journal is that in a space of 5-10 days, you will start to record 5 to 10 lucid dreams or regular dreams per night. The dreams will also become more vivid with more details to be remembered, and you will start to have lucid dreams for free as well. Besides that, you will start to notice your dream signs and common themes of your dreams and lucid dreams, which will allow you to implement side strategies such as in training your subconscious mind to recognize the dream signs and perform reality checks. I will produce a separate tutorial on dream signs and how to successfully implement them to have more lucid dreams. Now let's talk about the technical part of dream journaling. Many lucid dreamers limit themselves to a storytelling kind of dream journal, and they pick up only the dream signs for their further implementation, or they work on the psychological part of their subconscious, which is all great but misses out the technical aspects to improve their skills, to have more lucid dreams and improve on their quality in terms of the length of the lucid dreams with anchoring techniques and the level of detail and lucidity with the deepening techniques. Anchoring and deepening techniques have the same essence in relation to lucid dreams. It is also important to describe how and when a particular technique has been applied in a lucid dream. You can and should indulge into technical description of your teleportation, flying, manifestation, finding information techniques. This way, Dream Journal becomes your own mirror on your practice of lucid dreaming, so that you don't need a lucid dreaming guru such as myself. Of course, I am joking. Nobody on the planet knows it all. Trust me, I have done my research. In neither field of lucid dreaming, out-of-body experience, or astral projection, there is any guru to trust to. There are only people with a certain level of knowledge. It is very important that you distinguish an authentic teacher of lucid dreaming from a fraud. It will be very easy for you after you have achieved 10 to 20 lucid dreams, out-of-body experiences of astral projections. So, back to the technical part of Dreaming Journal. Part number 1 of Dreaming Journal is the general information. Give your lucid dream a name. It is much easier to remember them this way. Put a date for further statistical analysis, such as how many dreams or lucid dreams you have achieved in a given week, a month, or a year, so you can congratulate yourself on your own progress. If you do not have this information, you will never know how much progress have you achieved in the past 1 month or 6 months or a year. Write any practice that you think was beneficial to the result, such as what kind of meditation that you have done, what practices or even change in diet you think has impacted this result in relation to lucid dreaming practice. Write as well what approach has been used, such as wild, dialed, or upon awakening from the dream state. Write as well what kind of technique has been used, such as filed, phantom hand, active visualization like rope or ladder technique, etc., etc. You will quickly be capable to notice which approach and which technique brings you more lucid dreams experiences. Second part of the Dream Journal. Describe your dreams with technical details and underline the errors you have committed in the lucid dream. Part number 3. Write down the list of errors you have committed and classify them by their level of importance. Write first the vital technical errors committed in the lucid dream, such as errors in induction technique, forgetting to recognize a false awakening, forget to anchor and deepen your lucid dream, or rushing into an emotionally driven reaction rather than choosing with lucidity to anchor myself in the lucid dream, etc., etc., etc. Next to each error, write the number of times you have committed that error. This is optional, it is up to you. Part number 4. Write in detail 1 to 3 goals you want to achieve in your next lucid dream. You will quickly notice that your intent and the presence of a goal add up to your personal motivation to have a lucid dream. And you will notice that you will have more of them by the mere presence of a goal to achieve in your next lucid dream. Another very positive effect of having a goal to achieve in your next lucid dream is that you will have less difficulty to remain in a lucid dream. While you work yourself out to achieve your lucid dream goal, you will remain in the lucid dream. The moment you start to wonder what and how to achieve next, the next moment you know you will be back to the body. One more little trick of Lucidity for All is not only to fix a goal to achieve in your next lucid dream, but also write the strategy of how you wish to achieve this. Set up a situation or go to a place where the situation is favorable to achieve what you want. This way, you will not waste your precious time in the lucid dream to wonder and reflect on what and how to do. Get yourself ready for your next experience of lucid dream. So I hope you guys like lucid tips and tricks of Lucidity for All, and your personal practice of lucid dreaming benefits in a very positive way quickly. I'll be very happy to see your comments about what I do and can be improved, and also what kind of tutorials on lucid dreaming you would like to see next. So drop your comment down below and I will attend you as soon as possible. Our channel has just started, so I will have time to write you personally to answer your request in relation to lucid dreaming practice. Enjoy your freedom, amazing freedom in the dreams. And if you like what I do, please like my videos so that I know you enjoy the content I produce. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you know when some new content and new video is being posted. And I promise to produce at least one per week. So on a weekly basis you're gonna have some nice tricks from me to help you out on your journey, and this is entirely free, so join the channel. See you guys again. Yuri Zaritsky from Lucidity for All signing out. Ciao guys.